Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. So I am talking about the trial and error method. Okay, everyone understand what is trial and error method? So let's take the next point. The value of variable for which LHS and RHS is equal, then it is called solution of equation. And this method, which method? Trial and error method is not direct and practical method. Okay, so let's start exercise 5.11, sorry 11.5. Okay, let's start. Exercise 11.5. State which of the following are equations with variables. Give the reason for your answer and identify the variable from the equation with variable. So first of all understand the question. What is our question? हमें इक्वेशन है या नहीं है ये बताना है. तो इक्वेशन होने के लिए क्या जरूरी है? इक्वल साइन शुड बी मस्ट. Second thing we have to know, so in the bracket it is given with variable. इक्वेशन तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, लेकिन कौन सा वाला इक्वेशन चाहिए? With variable. और कौन सा वेरिएबल है ये भी बताना है. 3 things you have to find out. First, whether it is equation or not. Second thing, the variable is there. Okay. And third thing, which is the variable. Fine. Once again I will tell you which 3 things we have to find out here. First, whether it is equation or not. Second thing, whether there is variable or not. And third, which is the variable. ठीक है? So let's start. 17 is equal to x plus 7. Now tell me, is there equal sign? Yes, equal sign is here. Second thing, equal sign is there means it is equation. Second thing, variable is there? Yes, variable is there. Which is the variable here? X. तीनों चीजें हमने फाइंड आउट कर ली ना. इक्वल साइन है तो इक्वेशन है. सेकंड थिंग, वेरिएबल है क्या? हाँ है. कौन सा है? x. गेट इट. अब रीजन कैसे लिखेंगे देखो. एज इक्वल साइन एंड x वेरिएबल. ओके, सो इट इज इक्वेशन. दोनों चीजें हैं इस इक्वेशन में. इक्वल साइन भी है और वेरिएबल भी है. सो इट इज इक्वेशन. सबको समझ में आया ये? फाइन. नेक्स्ट. t minus 7 is greater than 5. So which is the first condition? We have to find the equal sign. Equal sign है क्या इसमें? नहीं है. Finish. Equal sign is not there. It is not an equation. Get it? Next. 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So equal sign is there. But is there any variable here? No. So it is only numbers are present here. So it is numerical equation. So we have to write the reason. Equal sign is here but not a variable. So it is a numerical equation. समझ में आया सबको? Okay, now next one. 7 multiplied by 3 minus 19 is equal to 8. So equal sign है यहाँ पे, लेकिन वेरिएबल है क्या? नहीं है. So we have to write same. Equal sign is here but not a variable. So it is numerical equation. Get it? Now next. 5 multiplied by 4 minus 8 is equal to 2x. So equal sign is here. Variable is here? Yes, variable is here. Which one? X. So write as equal sign is here and variable is x. So it is an equation. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? Okay. Now next, F. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So equal sign is here and variable is also here. Which is a variable? X. So write as equal sign and variable x is present. So it is an equation. Get it? Next. 2m is less than 30. Equal sign is here. No. Stop here. Equal sign is not, so it is not an equation. Clear? So let's take the next. 2n plus 1 is equal to 11. An equal sign is here. Variable is n, so it is an equation. Get it? Now next, 7 is equal to 11 multiplied by 5 minus 12 multiplied by 4. So equal sign is here, but is there any variable? No. So which is this equation? It's a numerical equation. So right here, equal sign is here, but not variable. So it is numerical equation. Okay. Now next. 7 is equal to 11 multiplied by 2 plus p. So here equal sign is here and variable p is here. So it is an equation. Next thing, 20 is equal to 5y. So equal sign is here and also variable y is here. So it is an equation. Okay. Now next. 39 upon 2 is less than 5. So equal sign is not here. So it is not an equation. Z plus 12 is greater than 24. So equal sign is not here. So it is not an equation. 20 minus in bracket 10 minus 5 is equal to 3 into 5. So equal sign is here, but is there any variable? No. So it is a numerical equation. And the last one, 7 minus x is equal to 5. So equal sign is here and variable is x here. So it is equation. I don't think anyone has problem in it. One more thing, I think in this whole chapter I have not given homework except that I missed the question 5. So I done it purposely because I want one thing from you, that you have to clear this algebra chapter, clearly understand this chapter. Your concept should be clear. So it is there are two purpose why I have done it, because first thing तो ये आपका in the syllabus of 6 तो you can score better marks, but I don't want only to score in the mathematics. ये जो चैप्टर है अलजेब्रा, ये जब तक आप पढ़ोगे, मतलब 10th 11th, और अगर आपने मैथमेटिक्स ब्रांच ले ली, मीन्स इंजीनियरिंग और आर्किटेक्चर वगैरह, तो जैसे हमने फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में या एलकेजी यूकेजी या फिर नर्सरी, इन क्लासेस में क्या किया था, हमने नंबर्स लर्न किए थे, फिर हम नंबर्स लिखना स्टार्ट किया, फिर 2 डिजिट नंबर, तो हम उनके डिफरेंस समझ में आया ना हमें कि 2 डिजिट नंबर्स और 1 डिजिट नंबर्स क्या होते हैं. फिर ये जो बेसिक थिंग है, ये अगर आपने कंफर्म, मतलब बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्लियर है या फिर क्या स्ट्रांग है, तो ही हम आगे एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हैं ना. ऐसे ही ये अलजेब्रा चैप्टर आपको समझ में आया, तो आप जब 7th में जाओगे तो आपको इक्वेशन चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा, लीनियर इक्वेशन, तो उसमें आपको सॉल्व करने हैं ये लीनियर इक्वेशन. लेकिन उससे पहले आपको पता तो होना चाहिए व्हाट इज इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज वेरिएबल, है ना. तो ये सारा तो कंसेप्ट इसी चैप्टर में दिया है, तो इसीलिए ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ लो, है ना. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Question 2. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. So, just before we have solved such type of exercise, such type of table in page number 239. 239 में हमने जैसे सॉल्व किया था ना, सेम ऐसे ही ये क्वेश्चन 2 हमें सॉल्व करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, सी हियर. सॉरी, 10y is equal to 80 and y is equal to 10. अगर हम y की जगह 10 ले लेंगे वेरिएबल की जगह, तो 10 10 जा 100. So is it true? No. So right here no. 10y is equal to 80. We have to take y as 8.